Dear learners, in this video we are going to see how to add a label and the page to our course. So to add the label, first of all you have to log in into your Genomio site and go to your course. So I am going to click on OOP course that I have created under the Genomio site. Once I come inside, the very first setting we have to do is just click on this setting icon and turn editing on. Once we turn it on, then you can edit your course. Now, we can add the label into our course. The label is nothing but a simple informative board where you can just keep some information or display some information for the students. How to add the label? Very simple. Just click on the add an activity resource. Now before clicking on this, we have to decide under which heading we have to add the label. Now I am going to add the label on the top of my topics. So first of all, click on add an activity or resource and scroll down to search for the label. Select the label option and click on add button. Once you click on the add button, the label will be added to your course. In the informative section of the label, you have to give the information or the instructions that you want to give for your students. For example, I am giving the instructions that this course is for SYA division students. Again, second information, this course can be accessed from internet. So this is the information I want to give to my students. So I can make this information bold, make this underline and make this as to be pointed noting. Once I write this, I will just click on save and return to course option. Now here you can see the label has been added showing some information that the course is for SYA division students and this course can be accessed from the internet. So in this way you can add a simple label which showing the information to the student or the learner. Now secondly, we are going to see how to add a page to our topic. So for adding the page, first of all decide under which topic you want to add the page. Now I am going to add a page under my first topic, that is Introduction to OOP. So how to add the page? Just click on add an activity or resource tab. Here scroll down and select the page option and click on add button. Once you click on the add button, you will be redirected to the general information regarding page. Now here you have to give the name for your page. I am giving the name to the page as object oriented programming. So this is the name of my page. In description, it is an optional part, but you can add the description of this page. For example, this page contains some informative part of C++. Now I am adding this description to the page. To make this description visible, you have to click on display description on course page. Next, I am going to add the content to my page. How to add the content? Here you can add the content by typing, or you can add the content by inserting some image or a video or a recording or a recorded video or some files. So multiple contents can be added to your page. For example, we will see how to add an image to our page. So just click on this icon and you can browse the image from the Google by entering the URL, or you can select the image from your system. So click on upload a file, click on choose a file. It will be redirected to your system repository. From that, you can select the image that you want to upload. For example, I am selecting this image and giving the image as DYP-CET image and upload this file. Once you click on upload this file, the image will be get uploaded onto your page. So you can see, you can set the size of the image, or you can set just auto size. So I will click on auto size and click on save image. Once you click on save image, the image will be get added into the content of the page. Now, similarly, below this image, I want to add one video. How to add the video? Just click on this icon, that is insert or edit an audio or video file. So click on this icon and click on the video. Here you can enter the URL of the video. For example, I am going to enter the URL, just copy and paste, or you can browse as we have done for the image. Now in the display option, you can set the size of the video window. For example, I am setting here 400 by 300 pixel, and I am going to just click on insert media. You can see the video has automatically been inserted into the content of the page. Similarly, you can add the content by writing into the page. For example, image of DYP-CET. So I am just writing the content to the page, making it bold and okay. Next, I am just going to add the another content, that video, and again I am just making it bold. Okay. So this is how you can add different content to your page at the same time. Again, you can set the common activity completion, that will be compulsory, and click on save and return to course button. Once you click on this, your page will get created automatically. You can see here under the topic introduction to OOP, we have created a page object oriented programming. Now this is what the description we have given inside the description box, that is this page contains some informative part of C++. So you can click on this page, you will be redirected to the contents of the page. As we know, we have added one image and a video into our page content. So let's see. So this is the image that we have uploaded, and this is the video that we have uploaded into our page content. So you can just play the video inside the page content and the video will be get played. So in this way, you can add a simple label to your course and the page along with its content to the topic. Thank you.